Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. When we got back from Puerto Rico, one of our cats, well, it's almost for sure the little one, ripped this out of our bathroom scale. I thought it would just click back in, but it does not fit. So let's do some research on how to take this apart. I couldn't find our exact model, but the videos I've watched, they kind of just pry open the two pieces. Let's look for what tools we have and set them up. These are the tools I have. This iFixit case for when I was building my computer. I saw videos use credit cards to go in here. I'm going to try these. I have some paint mixers, shims, and I don't know. I just brought my ski stuff here. Let's try to get it open. The good news is this part popped out pretty easily. It has these little clips that are a little flexible. So I just pulled them and everything clicked out. The bad news is I pulled this wire out and my wife did just get a soldering kit. So we are going to take a break here to make another video within a video. We are all done soldering. Check out the video I uploaded last week. This was my first time and it turned out pretty good. The mound looks a little bit bigger compared to the one next to it. We are going to put everything back together and see if it works. Moment of truth. No way. I can't believe it worked. Video number 129 done.